What's up? Carla Starla here. Wanted to talk to you about becoming a better performer. So, on this journey of becoming a performer, I've learned a lot of really important things about myself. And one is that we can be our own worst critic when it comes to how we perform or how we express ourselves. And the one thing that's always brought me back to my root of finding my value in who I am as a performer is that authenticity of knowing that I do it for the love. I do it for the love of wanting to share who I am, wanting to express who I am. So as a singer, as a DJ, these are some of the avenues that I take to perform, to share myself with the world. And it's something that I love deeply. So all of you out there who are becoming a performer or who are in that practice of always bettering yourself or raising the bar or however you want to look at it, the root is always remembering that you do it for the love to express, the love to share yourself with the world. And I look forward to seeing all the beautiful things that any of you, all of you have out there to share with the world.